Hey everyone, Mortaza here with Heartbeat, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can set up a freemium membership inside of your Heartbeat community. Let's go ahead and dive in. When building a freemium membership, I want to make sure of three things. Number one is I want to make sure that when people actually first sign up into the community for the very first time, they can see that there's both a free option and a paid option to be able to join the community. I also want to make sure that once you join into the community as a free member, you can see that there's some areas that you don't have access to. There's these little upsells and pulls that push you to becoming a paid member, really helping with that conversion flow. So I want to make sure that we have some upsells placed around the community. And then finally, I want to make sure that there's some content that is only for my premium members that only they can have access to. And so through this video, we're going to hit all three of those areas. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and navigate to my admin settings in the bottom left corner of my community. So I'll click on that. And then I'm going to go ahead, make sure I have payments configured by clicking this configure payments over here. This is just connecting Heartbeat to my Stripe account so I can actually process payments through the platform. Quick process, takes like 30 seconds. And then to actually build out my freemium membership, I'm going to click the offers tab over here on the bottom left corner. So I'm going to go ahead and click this big create offer button, and this is going to allow me to build out my first offer, which is going to be that freemium membership. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this freemium membership option over here when it asks me what I'm creating. And this is going to guide me through the process. You'll notice that I've got this free tier automatically created over here. And that's because I have this little free tier option toggled on here. So maybe like if halfway through the process I realize I don't want to make this free, I could even remove this. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my first paid tier. And to do that, I'm going to go ahead and call this a premium marketing member because my membership is going to be all about marketing. And in this description, I can add in a quick description. This is going to also show up on like the sign up pages as well as like the pricing pages, things like that. So I'm going to say get access to exclusive courses, office hours, and channels only for premium members. Great. So I've got that added in. Next, I can go ahead and pick my price point. So right now, this is just going to be monthly $25, but I could go ahead and add in another price point as well. I could say, hey, instead of just only a monthly option, we're going to also add in a yearly option too. So I'm going to add in $250 over here. Most people will just multiply by 10. Cool. And then with that, I've got my two pricing options set up. We're good to go over here. If I wanted to add in like a registration fee or something like that, I could do that over here as well, just by clicking this edit option. And then I could toggle on this registration fee. Now, this last part is where I'm going to choose what my premium members are going to have access to that my regular members don't get. So there's two things that I want to do. I want to give my premium members access to this marketing mastery course over here. And then I also want to go ahead and give them access to this bonus content over here in my documents, right? These are the two main things that I want to make sure that you have access to if you're a premium member. So I'm going to go ahead and add those into the access column. And so now premium members are going to have access to this. I can also see what other channels they have access to because it's available to everyone. And so what I'm noticing is this marketing mastery channel I made is available to everyone. Now I actually want to make it private. So I only want my premium members to have access to it. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to click this make private option over here. Heartbeat's going to confirm that, hey, the free members are going to lose access to this, which is what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm as well. And so now I've got this perfectly set up where I've got marketing mastery, the course, and then I've also got these document sections over here too. So three different things that premium members get that my free members don't get. I'll go ahead and hit save over here. And on the next step, I'm gonna hit continue over here just to set up the final piece of the offer. Oh, one thing I forgot is we also just need to add in a title. This is gonna be helpful as you add in more offers just to clarify, what offers are pertaining to what. So I'm just gonna call this my basic freemium membership. Great, now I'm gonna go ahead and hit next. Now on this next page, I got a lot of different toggles that I can turn on. I could set a quantity limit if I only wanted to allow a certain number of folks to be able to get access to this offer. I could set an expiration date. On these sales pages, I could even add social proof as well. So if I've got people that have upgraded to one of the paid offerings, I could go ahead and add in some social proof over here. I can grab it from my documents, or I can go ahead and just use existing members in my community. So I'm going to grab 3 existing members. I'm going to grab one member over here. And then, yeah, there we go. So I've got one member added in. I'm going to add in another member, and then I'm going to add in a third member over here. Okay, great. So I've got these 3 members added in. We're just going to require that you have some consent from these folks as well. So I'm going to check this box and say that I do. And then I'm also going to go ahead and turn on upsells over here. So I've got an upsell turned on. Now remember, we want these upsells around the community, and what this is going to do is it's going to take all of the stuff that the premium members have access to. So that channel, that premium course, and then that premium document section. And it's going to start displaying it to the free members, but with a little locked icon on top of it. So now when I click into it, I'm not going to see the content of those pieces. Instead, I'm going to see an upsell card. And that upsell card is going to look a little something like this. So for that, I'm going to click Edit Content over here, and I can see this upsell mode will pop up. I could add in a video. This is really, really powerful, and I recommend adding a video. I can add in a basic description over here too, and I could say, join the premium membership to get access to a course, channel, and exclusive document section, right? And this is going to be what that upsell card looks like. I could even add in a testimonial over here too. So I could add in Siobhan as my testimonial. And over here, I could add in a little bit more context, and I could say, add her testimonial of like, this is the best membership I've ever purchased, right? So again, a little bit of social proof to just help push that sale forward. And then I'm going to add the button text over here and click add in upgrade now. Now I've got this upsell, it's ready to go. If I wanted like a video at the top over here that kind of like showcases what's available in this freemium membership, I could do that too. I'm gonna hit save. And then last questions I'm gonna get asked is what happens after people purchase. If I wanted to move them to a specific space, I could do that. If I wanted to even like revoke access after like say 12 months, I could do that too. And then when they cancel, what I want to do is I want to remove offer access. So I just want to basically downgrade them to the free tier. I don't want to block them from accessing my overall community because again, like if you're on a paid tier, I want you to basically like leave and become a free member instead. Alrighty, so we've got that. I can even set like what the default like option is in terms of pricing. So let me say instead of making the free tier the default, I want to make the default be like the $25 a month premium option. So this is what people are going to be pushed to with all of the messaging. And then finally, I can check and see if I want to build out any cancellation flows. I don't want to do anything super crazy here, so I'm just going to leave the basic cancellation survey that Heartbeat already pre-populates. And with that, I'm now done. I'm going to hit this finish button over here, and I've got my freemium membership created inside of Heartbeat. If I wanted to send this to folks, I could copy this link. Now, I don't have any sign-up pages created just yet, so that's the last thing that we're going to do. I'll go ahead and hit this create button over here. We're just going to call this my marketing freemium sign up link. And yeah, we're just going to have it be a standard evergreen link. If I wanted to turn this into a larger landing page, I could, but we'll do that maybe later. We'll cover that in a different video. And then I'm just gonna hit this create button over here. So now I've got this done and I've got this created. I can copy this link. I could open it into a new tab just to see what it's gonna look like. And so because I'm already logged in, I'm gonna see something a little bit different, but I could see, this is the basic landing page that's created. I haven't really added in any additional stuff over here, but I've got everything that I need over here basically to have a landing page. All I need to do is click this upgrade now button, and then I'll go ahead and continue entering my information and then be able to upgrade and get access to this. If I didn't want to upgrade and instead I want to just grab the free tier, I could go ahead and grab the free tier over here. I can choose this, and then I can go ahead and move forward into the process. Because I'm logged in, I'm gonna see a slightly different screen, but this is basically gonna kick off the onboarding process for your free members. So that covers everything in terms of how you can set up a freemium membership in Heartbeat. Let us know if you have any other questions or reach out to our support team at support@heartbeat.chat. Thanks so much for watching.